Hey y'all, good morning. I'm trying this new curly bob. I was a little concerned about the curl pattern, if it would be curly enough. So I applied the wig last night. You can check out my how to apply a lace frontal, information below. I'll tag it. And I'm sorry, I'm still a little sleepy. I'm fresh out the bed. I'm about to get in the shower, so don't judge. But I was concerned about the curl pattern. But this is a good indication about how bushy it's getting. And I just have to share that the brush glided through this hair. And so right now I'm pretty happy. And it's supposed to be 250% density. So I don't know, I'll let you guys make a decision on it. I think it is very dense. 250%. I don't know, but it's definitely not thin. So I'm gonna do my curly hair routine, and I also have a video about that I did last year, and I'll plug that in, and I'll leave some final thoughts on how this hair curls up. See you guys soon. Hey there, lovers and friends. So I did my curly hair routine, and this is how the hair came out. I'm gonna be quite honest, I definitely like the density of it, but the curls is just not as curly. And I had suspected that just from when I had initially got it. I had combed through it, and when I was plucking the hairline, that this wasn't gonna be like popping curls. It's more like, I don't know, I just wanted like a deep curl. I think I am gonna cut a little bit. This is 14 inches, but y'all, are y'all not proud of me? Because I slayed this hairline. I am so proud of myself in plucking this hairline. I would show you the other side, but the glue didn't come out all that good. But I definitely feel like I'm gonna be able to do a half up, half down. And I think I am going to trim it. But I wanted to show y'all how it all came out. I just, it's good. It feels good in terms of the hair. And by the way, I remembered, I'm over here talking to y'all. Oh, by the way, I remembered that I actually asked them to make this custom size. I did get this wig a few months ago. This is the first time I'm wearing it. And I did not have to cut off that much lace in the front. But overall, it's still baggy. I don't know if they really truly made it custom, or if this is just a size small. But I'm going to start asking them to do that. And that could be why my curls ain't like popping. But they should be popping. But even, when you combing through it with a Demon brush, you get an idea. And then when I was combing through it with the Demon brush, it wasn't getting like super curly. Like, to me, that's like a wave. But I will tell you, whatever this hair is, it feels super soft. I'm really digging it. I think I'm going to trim it a bit because I want it to be like a curly bob. But the density is on point. The density is on point. The texture of the hair is on point. It's just that I wanted it curlier. But all in all, I'm pretty happy, and I'm so excited. I finally, this gives me a lot of confidence for future wigs. Yeah, maybe I'll do a deep side part. I don't know. Yeah, I'll post. I can't wait to post this because I think this may be another gem. I'm going to be wearing it probably the next 2 weeks. So we're really going to see how it wears. But I missed me some curly hair, and it's officially summer. So, and I wanted to go back to my curly bob. I'm thinking about cutting it, but I'm going to wait and see what y'all say. Like this much. It's just not gonna get any curlier than this. I'm gonna try curl activator, but I don't really think I knew it when I had it. Okay, talk to you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And get into this hairline.